Today we're going to talk about Amazon Textract. So basically, Textract, as the name says, is text extraction. So it basically extracts text, handwriting, layout elements, and it's on the AWS cloud. So you basically just write the code and call it using Python Boto 3. That's what I'm trying to use it. And this is part of OCR. So anything where you have like paper, paper images that you need to read, receipts, invoices, any sort of handwritten document, it is going to be able to extract it. So what we're trying to do is, so Amazon has provided some extract sample code. So it uses their Boto3 library and this is in Python. So but basically what we're going to do is we are going to feed it a handwritten prescription. And this going to, of course, going to open that document, read it into a byte array, and then call this is the Amazon Textract line, call it, and send this over to the Textract library. So it's going to parse it and then give it back, and we are going to print out whatever it was able to extract. So this is the AWS console. So if you have a few ways to execute it, we can generate the IAM, the key, the API key from here, or there is this new feature in AWS called as Cloud Shell. So it'll let us run the code in the cloud. This is a free. It's basically a terminal, and you can run up to 1 gig of space they give, and it has Python and all libraries inbuilt in it, so you can run the code there. It's secure as it doesn't need API because you are already logged into the console. So we're going to try and just hand it in the cloud shell. So you basically do the cloud shell and it's going to open it up as a terminal. So what I've done is I've got my two files, the input, the JPEG I'm going to pass, and the same code that I talked about, the test.py. So this is going to, yeah, so this is going to run. So this is the prescription that we have passed it, and so the extract took all this data and tried to extract it out. So some of them it has been successful, like this MRD number, it was able to get that, but then some of the stuff it was not able to pass it. Like the dates didn't pass, like this text here in the location is not able to. It got this here, but it could not get that. So some of them are pretty badly as written. It could not get that part of it, but overall, I think it got about 80% of it. So it is a valuable tool. So this is one way to do it. There are some other models where we can actually train this particular doctor's handwriting into the model, fine tune it a bit, and then we hope to get a better result. So in one of the next episodes, I'm going to show you how do we train an existing model and then use the fine tuning into it, and then and then being able to compare the results and see how it goes. If you have any questions, feel free to contact me here on the YouTube. Thanks.